Paying your Rogers Bank credit card bill is easy using their app or online portal. Both offer secure and convenient options available 24/7. The Rogers Bank mobile app is available on iOS and Android. Recent app updates include biometric authentication like Face ID and fingerprint for faster logins and reduced payment processing time. The My Rogers online banking platform now supports integration with digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. You can link your credit card to these wallets for quick bill payments without manually entering your card details. Ensure you have your Rogers Bank account credentials ready, username and password, and have set up two-factor authentication for enhanced security, especially for payments over $500. To pay your Rogers Bank credit card bill online, start by logging in to My Rogers at rogers.com. Then navigate to the Banking or Credit Cards section. Select your credit card account. Choose Pay Bill and enter the desired amount. Select your payment source and confirm. For app payments, open the Rogers Bank app and log in. Tap Credit Cards on the home screen. Select the card and tap Pay Now. Input the amount and choose your payment method. Authenticate via biometrics and confirm. Remember that payments are generally free. Setting up autopay can help you avoid late fees and ensure timely payments. Daily limits may apply for online transfers.